Hey guys, this has been one of the best purchases I've ever made in the last couple of years. It's a DEWALT 20V fan. It's been very handy to use at ball games, just working outside or inside in the garage on these hot summer days. Again, it's battery operated. Comes with a 20V battery, and as you can see, can be adjusted various angles, and also it can be mounted. If you look on the back, you have these hooks that can actually be hung up on a rack in the garage and tilted up to blow. You have a variation in speed, so you can just turn the knob on, and that's at its lowest power. And then you can turn the knob up. You can see it. It's got quite a bit of air force and airflow. You can see my shirt blowing. So it has a great bit of force that you can use. And the battery lasts a good while. If it's on a low setting, it'll last a couple of hours. If it's on a high setting, it may not last as long. But I purchased an extra battery for those long hot days that you're going to be outside working for a long period of time. But most of the time I don't keep it on the high volume. I just keep it about low to medium and keep it close by. So when you're outside doing gardening work or something kind of stationary and sitting around, or if you're just out picnicking or cooking out on the back deck, it's good to have around. So I highly recommend the DEWALT 20V fan.